Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix location services not working on your Mac, whether your Mac can't detect your location or apps like Maps, Weather, or Safari aren't updating accurately. These quick solutions will help you get things working again in no time. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check location services settings. 1. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. 2. Select Privacy and Security from the sidebar. 3. Click on Location Services. 4. Make sure Location Services is turned on. 5. Scroll down and make sure apps like Maps, Weather, Safari, and others are allowed to use your location. If everything is already enabled, try toggling Location Services off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh the settings. Solution 2. Ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Even if you're connected via Ethernet, macOS relies on Wi-Fi to help determine your accurate location. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu bar. Ensure Wi-Fi is on and you're connected to a network. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect time or time zone settings can prevent your Mac from using location services properly. 1. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. 2. Click on General. 3. Then choose Date and Time. 4. Enable Set Time and Date automatically. 5. Make sure the correct time zone is selected. Keeping your system clock accurate is essential for many services, including location. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully, one of these fixes solved the issue with location services on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.